out of London and Bombay both, and I work internationally a lot. I do shows over there, group shows, solo shows, and everything. So Hyderabad, when the idea came to me that Hyderabad ho raha hai and we should take a chance of this because it's a very unexplored market.
Okay.
We know that there is potential. We know that there are people who appreciate art, and there are so many artists. We have displayed an artist
Yeah.
from Hyderabad. We have got Lakshman Ele, जो हैदराबाद की आन बान शान है. So we know that there is a lot of talent, but about the market we were always skeptical. We knew there is potential. So we were very excited to come and give this a shot, and I think we don't regret it at all. We have got some really, really nice people. We have got good response. We have had inquiries, and what I've learned is that people are appreciating and just not leaving to that. People are making buys. People are purchasing, and we as industry, we can't just thrive on appreciation, right? We need the commercials as well, and that has been there. There is a potential, and I see this market growing only upwards and onwards now. So I'm very happy, and if there is something else that happens, I think I will come again.
So what kind of public are coming and how they are responding towards the artworks or
We have
any
got
inquiries?
so many, yes, we have got so many inquiries, and people, as I said earlier, that people are not only just appreciating, they are making purchases, they are buying the artworks, they're liking our works, they're also, onto it to do a long term thing because अब तक कुछ आया नहीं था और कोई बाहर जाता है तो इतना नहीं देख पाता है. तो आप जब वो आए हैं, उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला है, तो वो अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, खरीद रहे हैं और लॉन्ग टर्म रिलेशंस बन रहे हैं हमारे. तो हमें वो चीज़ की बहुत खुशी है. इसलिए अगर होगा वापस तो हम ज़रूर आएंगे.
This is the first time happening and in such a large scale.
Yes.
So our people also have to understand
Yes.
art and learn about it.
Yes.
Because not many people are too interactive with other cities,
Yeah.
other art expos.
Yeah.
So this is the first thing. So that is our curiosity, how our people are responding to.
No, absolutely. The response has been positive.
Yeah.
I know that people are giving the feedback, and I think every time it will be there, it will be successful because लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है काम.
Yeah.
लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है कि एक लग्जरी आइटम आया है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ज्वेलरी का बहुत चलता है, कपड़ों का बहुत चलता है, आर्ट का जैसे आपने कहा कि पहली बार हुआ है.
Yeah.
आई थिंक सर अब होते रहना चाहिए क्योंकि लोग अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, खरीद रहे हैं, उनको अच्छा लग रहा है, सीख रहे हैं इसके बारे में. सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि सीख रहे हैं तो मार्केट बन रही है. Market is developing, and that's what reason I'm saying is that because it's a developing market, there is a lot of potential in it. There is a lot of potential for a lot of artists and galleries. So I only see a bright future of Hyderabad art market now.
Okay.
So,
So,
so
please.
thank you. As you mentioned, right, is Hyderabad, it's a growing thing, but
Yeah.
you had a experience
Yeah.
across. You participated in the
Yeah.
international show. But what other things we would like to bring in Hyderabad if we want to?
I think we should have a better venue, one that is more central, so that it's more accessible. That is my one suggestion, to have a venue that is more accessible, and maybe to have ongoing activities on the days to attract people, because as we said that people are learning about art. People don't know. So a layman who has the potential to buy an art but is not really interested yet. So we need some kind of attraction to get them here, and then we can teach them about art only once they enter, correct? So I think like ongoing some live sessions are happening, some talks are happening,
More events.
more events. So if we have more events going on, तो अगर उसके लिए कोई आएगा तो automatically इसके लिए आएंगे क्योंकि
Understand.
एक venue के अंदर है. So we believe that there should be more events. There should be better publicity. There has been very good publicity because so many people came to me saying that newspaper में देखा था, and our artwork of Lakshman Ele made it to the front page of Hyderabad Times. So they came and they saw us like we saw this and we came. So that has been a very good response. So that made me realize that people here do see and do come. So when the public is responsive to the ads, then we should catch that and we should do more marketing on that. So I think we can bring in more people than we did this time. And just as I said, the
So
events.
normally I spoke to the organizers,
Yeah.
but thing is that the area where rich people are living is more expensive.
Yeah.
So what happens is it is non-affordable to the artist.
true, very
So the
true.
burden has to be
Yeah.
borne by
The gallery
artist
and
itself,
everyone, yes,
galleries.
yes,
So
yes.
that is the reason. But
But
it
maybe
is
sir, some
always
common grounds coming, so the quality will be maintained.
yeah, same feathered birds will gather.
Absolutely.
So similarly, you know, so this is the first time, maybe second, third time.
Yeah.
Definitely people will come.
Obviously, sir, now you will grow, we'll grow with you.
Yeah.
We all grow together, absolutely.